Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial with EC QuickBooks Training. In today's video, I'm going to briefly go over payroll tax items. So let's get started. To access your payroll tax items, you go to your list and then payroll item list. In here you will find the federal and state tax rates for your company. Usually federal QuickBooks updates it, but you want to make sure from the IRS website that these are the accurate amounts. For state, the state usually sends you a letter by the end of the year letting you know what your rates are for the following year. So you want to make sure that you have the up-to-date tax rate when you process the New Year's payroll. Now, in my state, I'm in California, my rate and limit, my limit for unemployment is $7,000. What this means is that wages after this, there will be no tax for that amount. Now, unemployment is an employer deduction, disability is an employee deduction, and of course, we have the withholding, state withholding, and federal withholding for employee. So let me show you in an actual paycheck what this would look like. If we go into an actual paycheck. Okay, so here is a paycheck, and now, over here it says employee summaries. Please note that these amounts are on the balance sheet in the liabilities account, along with this amount in the liabilities on the balance sheet. But this amount is also on your profit and loss because these are employer deductible taxes. So both go on the balance sheet under liabilities because they both need to get paid. But this amount only goes to the profit and loss. So once my rate, my wages, my salary is $7,000. So let's say I have $7,020 here. There will not be tax amounts for anything after $7. So $7,000, I'm sorry, after $7,000 in wages. So, now Social Security, it's the same. As you can see, Social Security is the same rate for both employee and employer taxes. So we can see here $49.60, $49.60, Medicare $11.60, $11.60, and federal unemployment is 4.8. Unemployment is $27.20. So if I want to manually calculate it, so I would say 800 times the unemployment, California unemployment, out to federal unemployment was 0.6%, 480. And that's how we can double check our numbers if we feel like we need to. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope that this has helped a bit, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-tos, tips and tricks, and troubleshooting. I will see you on the next one.